Hello everyone. In our last class, we started with the chapter functions. So function, can anyone explain me what is a function?
Ma'am, a function is said to be a relation if, sorry, ma'am, relation is said to be a function if each and every element of the first set is uniquely paired with each element of the
You're
second.
reading my own definition. Okay, fine, it's correct. If I have a relation from A to B, then function says two conditions. Each and every element of the first set has to be paired, and it has to be paired with only one element of the second set, no matter who, but only one. So if here I have A can be paired with any one element of the second set. If I have B can be paired with any one of the element with the of the second set. Maybe the same element, but only once. So each and every element of the first set has to be paired with exactly one element of the second set. Now, set of all the x coordinates is known as the function. Set of all the y is known as the domain. Set of all the y coordinate is known as the range. Now we move on to the important and more uh, the domain range part. Before that, there's a small sums kind of a structure. Let's do that. That's the easier part. Question. Suppose I tell you that let f be a function defined by f is from x to 2x minus 1. X belongs to 0, 1, 2. Find number 1 f, number 2 domain, number 3 range. Try the sum first. Done? So first f. What would be f? If I put, see, this means what? That y is equal to 2x minus 1 or fx is equal to 2x minus 1. Y and fx are same thing. So here put x equal to 0. What will we get? If I put x
Minus
equal to 0,
Minus
0.
1.
If I put minus 1, this is 1 there. Now if I put x equal to 1, what will I get?
1.
1. If I put x equal to 2,
3.
3. So these are the only three pairs that will be formed, yes or no?
S, ma'am. S.
So now domain. Domain is the set of all the x coordinates, the values of x that we have used. So what is that?
0, 1,
0, 1, 2.
2. What would be range?
minus 1, 1, 3.
Minus 1, 1, 3. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No.
Now the pairs that I formed in F, see here. This is the first set, 0, 1, 2. The second set, I have minus 1, 1, 3. 0 is paired with minus 1. 1 is paired with 1. 2 is paired with 3. So these are all values of x and these are all values of y or fx, right? So I can say that minus 1 is, sorry, 0 is paired with -1, right? Or I can say -1 is the image of 0. The word image is used for the second set for y. The values of y are known as the image. So -1 is the image of 0. 1 is the image of 1. 3 is the image of 2. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And the
ma'am.
values of x are known as pre-image. So I can say that 0 is the pre-image of -1, the before element. 1 is the pre-image of 1. 2 is the pre-image of 3. Right? So note, we say that y or fx is the image of x, or x is the pre-image of y. The word pre-image is used for values of x. The word image is used for the values of y or fx. Yes? Guys, is it understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Everybody done?
Yes, ma'am.
Question. F is from x to 5x square plus 2. X belongs to R. X can be any real number. X can be any real number. X can be any real number. Now, question number 1. Find the image of 3 under F. So I'm asking you to find image. That means I'm asking you to find the value of y. So definitely this 3 would be, what is this 3 then? If I want to find y, then the value that is provided is definitely x. There are only two things, x and y. So if I'm asking you to find the image word is used for which letter? Y. So if I'm asking you to find y, that means the value that has been provided is definitely for x. So first from the question, this is what? 5x square plus 2 is y? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So I want to find the image of 3. That means I want to find out the value of y when x is 3. Do you understand this?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
want
Yes,
to
ma'am.
find out image, so I want to find out the value of y when x is 3. When x equal 3.
Answer is
47.
47.
That
40.
means 47 is the image of 3. 47 is the image of 3. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 2. Find the pre-image of 22. Find the pre-image of 22. The word pre-image is used for
X.
X
x.
value.
X.
So I want to find out pre-image. I want to find out x. So the value that has been given is
Y coordinate.
y.
Y equal,
So here
Y is
y
the
is
value.
given. Let y equal 22. So 5x square plus 2 is 22. Find out x.
Plus or
Find out
minus.
x.
X is plus or minus.
Very good. X square 4. So x would be 2 or minus 2. So the pre-image of 22 is either 2 or minus 2. The pre-image of 22 is 2 or minus 2. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Number 3. Number 3. F of 3 into F of 2. 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 What is F of 3? Here, F of x is what? Y basically. And what is the formula here? 5x square plus 2. So F of x is 5x square plus 2, yes or no? What I want is now F of 3. So instead of x, put 3. Answer.
47.
Is
F of 2. Instead of x, put 2.
it's 22.
So the
20.
answer would be 47 into
1030.
22. Sorry?
1034.
1034. Understood?
So,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody understood?
so
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Question. If f of x is x square minus 3x plus 1 by x minus 1, find f of minus 2 plus f of 1 by 3. First, find out individual values and then add them. Find out individual values and then add them. Done? So first f of minus 2. So instead of x, put minus 2. Instead of x, put minus 2. So this would be 4 plus 6 plus 1 upon minus 3. So 11 upon minus 3 plus f of 1 by 3 plus instead of x, put 1 by 3. 1 by 3 minus 1. So 1 by 9 minus 1 plus 1. This is minus 2 by 3. 1 by 9 minus 2 by 3. So minus 11 by 3 minus 3 by 2 into 9. This is minus 11 by 3 minus 1 by 6. LCM 6 minus 22 minus 1 minus 23 by 6. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All of you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Question. If f of x is 2x minus 1 upon 3x plus 2, find f of 1 plus f of 2 by f of 3.
Ma'am, is it 253 by 200?
Let's see. Solution. Let us first find f of 1. 2 into 1 minus 1, 3 into 1 plus 2. So 1 upon 5,
Yes, ma'am.
f of 2. 2 into 2 minus 1, 3 into 2 plus 2. So 3 by 8.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
f of 3. 2 into 3 minus 1, 3 into 3 plus 2. So 5 upon 11.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
now
ma'am.
f of 1 plus f of 2 by f of 3. 1 by 5 plus 3 by 8, 5 by 11. 8 plus 15 by 40 divided by 5 by 11 LCM. So 23 by 40 multiplied by 11 by 5. 253 upon 200.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All of you got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, if I give you f of x as x square plus 1, fine. Number 1, f of 3.
It's 10.
10.
X, just whatever is written here in the bracket, replace it instead of x. So it would be 3 square plus 1, that is 10.
10, ma'am.
If I would have asked you f of y,
I square plus 1.
instead of x, put y. So instead of x square plus 1, it will be
Y
y
square plus
square
1.
plus 1.
Plus 1.
Yes or no? If I would have asked you f of 2,
5.
5.
2 square plus
5.
1, that is 5. If I would have asked you f of 2, then what we do is we start solving from the innermost part. So inside I had f of 2. I would have first calculated f of 2. So instead of f of 2, what do I have?
5.
5. So it would be f of 5.
26.
26.
Yes. Right. Now again f of 5 we will obtain in which way? 5 square plus 1, that is 26. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Can you
Yes,
find
ma'am.
out what would be f of 4? Find out f of 4.
290.
First we will calculate f of 4. So f of 4 would be 4 square plus 1, that is 17. And now this answer we will replace here. Whatever is written in the bracket, that gets replaced instead of x. So this would be 17 square plus 1, 289 plus 1,
190.
that is 290. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I could have also written this as f composite f of 4. F of 4 can also be written as FOF. So what happens is, this 4 goes to this place here. Whatever answer I get, that gets transferred to this. It goes from the outermost to the outside, right side to the left. If I would have asked you f of x, f of x. So now what we will do is, first we will solve the innermost part. So inside I have f of x. What can be substituted instead of f of x? What can be substituted instead of f of x?
2x plus 1.
X square plus 1.
Of x
Instead
square.
of f of x, I can write x square plus 1. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Yes,
Now
ma'am.
again, there is another f here. Same here, na? You first calculated f of 4, you got 17. So here I calculated f of x, I got x square plus 1. So now again, you put this 17 where instead of x. Now what you will do is, instead of x, put this entire expression. Wherever you had x in the equation, instead of x, you put this entire green term. So the equation was what? X square plus 1. So it would be this green ka square plus 1. Whatever is written in the bracket, that gets substituted instead of x. If it would have been f of x, x square plus 1. F of 2, 2 square plus 1. F of y, y square plus 1. F of this green part, green square plus 1. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So it
Ma'am.
would be square of this term plus 1. It would be square of this term plus 1.
X to the power 2 plus 2x square plus 2.
A square plus 2ab plus b square plus this. So x power 4 plus 2x square plus 2. Done?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
If I would have written number 7, f of x into f of x. Basically this, f into x. This means the bracket has shifted. This means f of x into f of x. There's a difference here. See, the bracket is different. Earlier, the bracket was inside the bracket, we had f of x. So I had to calculate that. And then the answer I would put again in it. Here I have two f's together. So I have to multiply both of their values. Fx into fx basically. So this would be x square plus 1 multiplied by x square plus 1.
X
Understood?
to the power 4 plus 2x plus 1.
Plus 2x square plus 1. Any doubts?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No. Done? Now, if I would have given you the question, see, note, composite functions, what we are learning right now. Composite functions. F composite f of x. So if they tell me to find this, the function has no image as so whatsoever until unless there is an x after it, there is a variable after it, there is a value after it. So I have to put here x. So what will happen is this x goes to the nearer function first. The answer that I get, I will put it again in. If the question would have been f composite g of x, then first g will go there. First we will find g of x. Whatever answer I get will be then put in f. If it would have been g composite f of x, we will first calculate f of x. The answer that I get, I'll put it in g. Understood? Example,
Yes.
f of x is x square, g of x is 2x. So if I want to find f composite g of 2, so what we will do is, we'll first calculate g of 2. Whatever I get, I'll then apply it to f. Can you tell me what is the answer of g of 2?
4.
4.
2 into 2, 4. Now we will calculate f of 4. What is f of 4?
16.
16.
4 square, 16. If I want to calculate g composite f of 3, what will we do?
We should calculate f of 3.
And then the answer will be put in g. The nearer one goes first. What is f of 3? Find out f of 3 from here.
9.
9.
3 square, 9. Now you calculate g of 9 from here.
18.
18.
2 into 9, 18. Find out f composite g of x. F composite g of x.
Four x square.
Okay.
4x square.
First it is g of x, and then I'll apply that answer in it. So what is the value of g of x from here? 2x.
2x.
And now this 2x will be put here. So f of x is square of x. So g of x would be
4x square.
2x whole square. That is 4x square. Done?
Yes,
Everybody
ma'am.
done?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, number 2. If they ask you to calculate f plus g, f plus g means f plus g of x. We have to apply something outside. This means fx plus gx. If I tell you to find out f minus g, that means I want you to calculate f minus g of x. So fx minus gx. If I ask you to calculate fg, that means I'm asking you to find fg of x, which is f of x into g of x. If I ask you to find f by g, that means I ask you to find f by g of x, which is fx by gx. So if I ask you to find out a function, you have to apply x on your own. Example. If f of x is x square minus 2, g of x is 2x plus 3, then find number 1, f plus g. What is the meaning of that? I'm asking you to
fx
find f plus g of x.
Of
X you
x
have to
plus
apply on your own, right? You have to write x on your own. So this can be written as fx plus gx. Now what is f of x? X square minus 2. What is g of x? 2x plus 3.
square
So this would
plus
be
2x.
x square plus 2x plus 1. Yes?
Yes.
yes ma'am.
If I ask you to find out f minus g, that means f minus g of x. This is fx minus gx. So f of x, x square minus 2, g of x, 2x plus 3. So x square minus 2
2x
minus 2x minus 3.
x square minus 2x minus 5.
So x square minus 2x minus 5. Yes? If I would have asked you what is fg, what will we do?
F of x into g of x.
First we will write fg of x, then we will write fx into gx. So x square minus 2 into 2x plus 3. Multiply. 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 4x minus 6. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
F4. So if I ask you to find out F composite G, what will we do?
composite g of x.
F composite G of X. So G of X, and the answer that I get, I'll put it in F. Now G of X would be 2x plus 3. Now this you put it instead of X. Now F of X was x square minus 2. So what should I write now?
Plus 3 the whole square.
The whole square of this term minus 2.
4x square plus 12x plus 7.
Plus 9 minus 2. So 4x square plus 12x plus 7. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's start exercise 9.4. Exercise 9.4. Number 1. F of x is x square plus 7. G of x is 3x plus 5. Number 1. F of 3 plus g of minus 5. F of 3 would be 3 square plus 7, that is 16. g of minus 5 would be 3 into minus 5 plus 5. So minus 10. Answer is 6. Number 2. F of minus 2 plus g of minus 1. F of minus 2 square plus 7. G of minus 1, 3 into minus 1 plus 5. So 4 plus 7 minus 3 plus 2. Answer 13. Question number 3. F of half into G of 14. F of half is half square plus 7. G of 14 will be 3 into 14 plus 5. This is 1 by 4 plus 7 multiplied by 42 plus 5. 29 by 4 into 47. Answer 1363 upon 4. Question number 4. F of t minus f of minus 2. F of t square plus 7. F of minus 2 square plus 7. T square plus 7 minus 4 plus 7. So t square plus 7 minus 11. T square minus 4. Does it match till here?
So,
Question number 2. In question number 2, you will see E. E, as we learned earlier also, is exponential number. It has a value like 2.7, like pi has 3.14. So f of x, e power x, g of x, log x. So f minus g of 1, that is f of 1 minus g of 1. So put here 1, e power 1 minus log 1. Log 1 is always 0. Number 2, f into g of 1. So f of 1 into g of 1. F of 1 e power 1 into log 1. Log 1 is 0. E into 0 would be 0. Third, f by g of 3. This is f of 3 by g of 3. F of 3 is EQ. G of 3 is log 3. Yes, any doubts?
No more.
No. Question number 3. F of x is x cube plus 1. G of x is x plus 1. So number 1, they ask us to find f plus g. So here it's our job to apply x here. So this would be fx plus gx. So x cube plus 1 plus x plus 1. So x cube plus x plus 2. Number 2, g minus f. So x we need to apply. So g of x minus f of x plus 1 minus x cube plus 1. X plus 1 minus x cube minus 1. So x minus x cube. Yes. The third one, f into g. So we apply right x. That is fx into g of x. X cube plus 1 multiplied by x plus 1. X power 4 plus x cube plus x plus 1. Yes.
Yes.
Number 4, f by g. So we write here x. That is fx by gx. X cube plus 1 upon x plus 1. Number 5, 2g square minus 3f. So we need to apply here x, right? We need to apply here x. Any doubt? So this means 2g square of x minus 3f of x. G square of x means gx whole square minus 3f of x. G square means what? G into g. So gx into gx. So twice g of x is x plus 1 minus 3 f of x is x plus 1. X cube plus 1. So twice x square plus 2x plus 1 minus 3x cube minus 3. So 2x square plus 4x plus 2 minus 3x cube minus 3. 2x square plus 4x minus 3x cube minus 1. Yes?
Yes.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Same is question number 4. Does anyone have any doubt in question number 4?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, let's go to 5. F of x is x cube minus 1 by x cube. To prove fx plus f of 1 by x, let us first find f of 1 by x. So instead of every x, let us put 1 by x. So this would be 1 by x cube minus x cube. LHS f of x plus f of 1 by x. So x cube minus 1 by x cube. 1 by x cube minus x cube. All the terms cancel out each other. Answer is 0, which is RHS. Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
6. F of x is x plus 1 by x. F of x cube. Instead of x, replace x cube. Whatever is written in the bracket, substitute instead of x. So we'll substitute x cube plus 1 upon x cube. Then we have f of 1 by x. Instead of x, replace 1 by x. So 1 by x plus x. Now LHS f of x whole cube. X plus 1 by x whole cube. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3a into b square plus b cube. X cube plus 3x plus 3 by x plus 1 by x cube. Now we also calculate RHS, that is f of x cube plus 3 times f of 1 by x. F of x cube was x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 times f of 1 by x value. If I open the bracket, x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 by x plus 3x. So they match each other. LHS is same as RHS. LHS is same as RHS. Is it okay, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 7. F of x is 2x plus 5, g of x, x square plus 1. Number 1, f composite g. So we need to write x here. So this will be first g of x and the answer will be substituted in it. Instead of g of x, we can put x square plus 1. And now this value will be put instead of x in f. So it will be 2 times this plus 5. So 2x square plus 2 plus 5, which makes it 2x square plus 7. Right? Question number 2. G composite f. We write x here. So now we will again find first f of x And whatever we get, we'll put in G. F of x was 2x plus 5. And now this will be put instead of G. So G of x was square of x plus 1. So G of this will be square of this plus 1. So 4x square plus 20x plus 25 plus 1. So 4x square plus 20x plus 26. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Third, f composite f of x. So f of x. F of x is x square plus 1. Now again we put it in the f formula. Square of this plus 1. Whatever we get in the bracket, that gets substituted instead of x. So x power 4 plus 2x square plus 1 plus 1. X power 4 plus 2x square plus 2. Number 4, G composite G. So G of x. G of x is x square. I did wrong. So this was G. I used the wrong formula. Why didn't you all tell me? I used the wrong formula. This was 4. F composite F. F of x was 2x plus 5. Now this will be replaced instead of x. So twice of this plus 5. So 4x plus 10 plus 5. That makes it 4x plus 15. Guys, check now what I'm writing. You're just telling me yes. Does it match? Are you all able to understand?
Yes, ma'am, it's matching.
Number 5, f square. So f square means f into f. That is fx into fx. That is 2x plus 5 into 2x plus 5 whole square. So 4x square plus 20x plus 25. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So now if you see from here, f composite f and f square, they are not equal. We can see that. Yes? That is what they asked us to prove. F composite f is not same as f square. We proved that. We obtained both the values and the values came out to be different. One we had 4x plus 15 and another we had a quadratic. Yes?
Ma'am.
And question number 8 is a very important question. It's given that f of x is 3x minus 2 by 2x minus 3. Let's find f composite f of x. So first fx, the answer that we get will be put in f of x would be 3x minus 2 upon 2x minus 3. Now this entire expression becomes x. And this value will be substituted instead of x in the original function. So this green part becomes my x and that will be substituted in the equation again in place of x. So this value we will substitute again here in it. So this will be 3 into this value minus 2 divided by twice of this value minus 3. Did you understand this?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Taking
ma'am.
LCM. Both the numerator and denominator have the same LCM.
Yes, ma'am.
That gets cancelled. Opening the function. 9x minus 6 minus 4x plus 6. 6x minus 4 minus 6x plus 9. So we have 5x by 5. That makes it x, which is RHS. Which is RHS?
X.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is basic operations in functions. But I said the important part was domain and range, which is what we'll be doing in the next session. That's it for today.